I'd watched the Poverty Programming Trap by Myron Golden on YouTube. In this video, I am going to provide a review of the Poverty Programming Trap, Part 1. We're going to discover the poverty programming trap that's kept you stuck like Chuck without a buck. Make sure you watch this entire video. You know, what's really interesting, people will never behave consistently in a way that's inconsistent with their programming. Let me reiterate. People will never behave consistently in a way that's inconsistent with their programming. In fact, your programming runs your subconscious mind. So let's imagine for a minute that your mind is a supercomputer, like ChatGPT. You have your subconscious mind and you've got your conscious mind. In a computer, you have an operating system. What is an operating system? An operating system is the main software of a computer that tells that computer what other software programs it can and cannot run. The problem with the supercomputer of our mind is most of us did not choose our operating system. The cultural hypnotic societal mechanism chose that for us, and the cultural hypnotic societal mechanism, which includes the schools we attend, the churches we've attended, to our parents, our grandparents, our neighbors, our siblings, our sororities and fraternities, our friends, our co-workers, our bosses, our employees, the media, the government. All of it has programmed us with a failed operating system. If you put a failed program in a computer with a failed operating system, it can run that program. What if you put successful software in a computer that's programmed with a failed operating system? All you're going to get is an error message. That's why so many people, when they hear some truth about wealth, about being a billionaire in the making, they have to resist it. Their subconscious programming won't allow them to run that program. And so success and failure both operate and are produced from the subconscious mind or the automatic mind. Let's reference our subconscious, our automatic mind, and our conscious mind, our manual mind. All of the results, like 90% of the results in your life, are produced by your automatic mind, which means you're not even aware of it's running below the surface. It's happening automatically and you don't even see it. What's interesting is other people who are not programmed like you can see your programming. What happens is when we hear some truth, it's unfamiliar to us. The first thing we do is we resist it because, well, that can't be true because that doesn't go along with my paradigm. That wraps up part 1 of the Poverty Programming Trap. Stay tuned for part 2 of the Poverty Programming Trap. Let's go!